live on my Binance account. 643% right now. It's the same entry. In only 2 months you can do 7000%. Crazy. Hello everyone and welcome to a new interesting episode. Today I want to discuss a very important topic regarding the last 2 months of this choppy market. I know many of you are struggling and losing a lot of money because there are a lot of fakeouts, manipulation in the stock market, Bitcoin and altcoins. But we're really killing it in any market, and today I want to do a study case to share with you what we did with the same chart in 5 trades of longs and shorts. We did like approximately 7000% of profit in only 5 trades in 2 months. It's possible, yes, it's possible if you have a plan, if you know what you do, if you have patience and so on, then execute, wait and profit. So that's what we're doing. So don't forget to click that like button and subscribe, guys, and let's do it. So let me share the screen. Okay, and let's start with the first trade. Okay, 20 March. I said look into short waves in this 34-36 zone. So this is our Discord. Okay, looking for this short 34-36 zone. Let's see what happened next. This was the chart. Okay, was waiting for the short here 34-36. You see, this is my setup. Okay, what happened next? Entry 34.77. Okay, so I was waiting 34.68, 34.95. Okay, you see this arrow. Okay, and my entry was 34.77. You see this week 34.90 was the perfect top, and my entry, if you see here, right here, the entries 34.67, 34.77, 34.87. Okay, so perfectly at the top, catch it this week. Okay, and then down. Okay, I'm saying here 22 of March, 2 days later, perfect entry on short. Did 250% on this short, and then around $31. What I said 3 days later regarding waves, I think it want to squeeze up after building a local support at 30.31. Okay, after we catch the perfect short right here 34.80, 34.70. So this short, the perfect week, and then identified this support. I saw a bouncing price action that it wants to reverse. And that's what I said here, looking to long 31, okay, as I see. So next, you see my long 31.1, 1 day later. And what I told you guys, after only 3 hours, 130% from this long. So then, keeping my long for $31. 2 days later, 28 March, was already 520% profit. The same entry, okay? 31.1. Keeping my position. So this was the perfect short. I entered here, the short. Then I longed here, 31. And then you see, boom. Let's continue. So this was my live position. 1 day later, was already 800% profit because the price went to 43. And I said when price was 43, I said the likely top will be then 50.52 or higher 60.61. So this level and this level, if we flip this level, this was my top target. Okay. So this price was 43. Let's see what's happening next. 58. Okay, 700% profit. Okay, from 26th March on 3rd 30 March, okay? So this was the chart I was watching for. The long was from here, 31. And this was my likely top, but if we flip this was my last target and a short opportunity, because you know, if I close my longs, it's good to open a short. And without having any price history to the left, we'll do a new episode and I explain you one of my top strategies to identify the tops, like I did here. So 60-61 was my likely top, as I said here, okay? You see here, 29 March. So then, what happened? This week and down to 61, 62, 63 approximately. So this was my closing long, which was I think 1400% approximately, or even more. And let's watch next. So what I said, you guys, okay, 5th of April, 1300% approximately profit, okay, this one. And then I opened the short because I anticipated this was a top, okay. What I told you guys, waves, 60-61 rejection as anticipated. Now I'd like to see a bounce, a little bounce here. What happened? Bounce, and then rejection, 57-61, watching for low time frame price action for short entry, okay. Good, let's continue. This was the short. Then okay, so this was the long, okay, 1800 approximately profit on the long, and this was the short already, okay. Excuse me, I said before this was the long, this was the short from this zone, and already in few hours it went 1300% profit on short. So let's go back. So this was the short from I waited here, okay. Always remember, wait the price coming to you, have a plan. What we did here, short trigger perfectly on this week, price went down. Here are my entries, all shared in my Discord, and then 250% in few hours. Then I longed, looking to long 31 here, I longed 31, you see here on 26 March, price going up, pumping hard after my entry, being 800% already profit, and I anticipated the top will be 50-52, but if you flip 60-61 and price went to this zone here already, I was closing approximately my position with 1800% profit. Crazy, right? In 4 days, 96 hours, guys. These huge profits, you can make this kind of profits if you have patience and you have a plan, okay. So price went here perfectly, entry short from 55 58 approximately. I built my position, but this was my I've added a bigger position, and so my average entry was 55.60, okay. And then down to my targets 41, and the second one 33.34, okay. And you see here 1300%, another 1300% on the short, okay. Good. Then on 26th of May, I said longing here carefully with stop loss, obviously, but stop loss was somewhere below $4 because I built my position. Let me show you. So this was the call, you see here, longing here. So I built my position in like $4.45. You know, the members knows how I'm doing. Dollar cost average. Usually when I identify a good entry zone, I like to have multiple bids. So if price will go a little bit down, we entry, and then you see we put the stop loss below the local low. And then so you see here my my chart with targets 8.30, 8.80, and then 11 plus. Okay, this one, this and this one. This was the last one in case we'll flip it, but first one was this and this. Good. What happened? Boom. So from here, dollar cost average, boom, pumping hard, right timing, perfect timing. Okay, waited for this entry like 1.5 months from after this short entry. After we did this short from the $60 stop, we waited, and then from 60 obviously entered hard here for $55 approximately. And my entry, if you see here, was perfect again. 30 May, after only few hours already, 1200% profit. You see here my entry. Let's watch. My entry was 440 average, okay, and already price was 1200%. But it didn't finish yet, because here already 1400%, okay, and you see here the same entry, okay, 2300% in 1 day, 1-2 days, okay, 1 day approximately. Crazy again. You see on Discord a few days ago, 2nd of June, again after the profit was bigger, was approximately 3000% when I closed, because you see my targets perfectly went on target perfectly. So entered here for 40, boom, and this was my first target, and this is my second target. So average was like 10.50, so was way bigger than this one, okay. So approximately 2800 maybe percent profit when I closed this one. And then again the fifth trade on this 2 months of study case on waves, 2nd of June, after this crazy profit in only a few hours, again I'm looking to short waves in this 10-12 zone, okay. So this was the chart, this was my post. If this 1040 will hold as resistance now, so I was watching 1040, good to go down, will add bigger on short. So this was 10.40, and I was if this is so my invalidation of my short will be to flip this level, which then I've put my stop loss and was okay for me. Otherwise I've entered here 970 when I called for the short, and my first target was this green zone 7.90, 7.50. Let's see what happened. Okay, so I said here again the waves, I'm already in position, okay. If you're short with me since 970, 990, as I said, let's see what happened. 960 entry, okay, 500% crazy. About risk management, leverage, guys, I'm doing usually 20x. This was 30x because I saw good price action on low time frame, confirmation for me, but I don't advise you to do more than 10x if you're experienced, okay. Otherwise 5x is enough. So leverage is great for professional traders to make crazy money, but you must understand position sizing, risk management, many things, because it's very important. We'll do a special episode about that. But sure, if you do 10x, will be approximately 200% profit as well. Then so this entry, as I said here, 970, 960, okay, I'm already in position. This was a position, and 7.70 price went right here, 7.70, as I've said, right here in only few hours, 1 day, 2 days, I think. So again, 700%. So crazy gains, guys, crazy gains. all shared, all transparency you saw on our Discord, my posts, my charts, and so on. Right now, I still have this position. Open it. Okay, so this is not 962 entry, which was here. Let me share. Let me find it on Binance. Okay, so right now, let me share the screen. Okay. So you can see my live position. Okay. Okay, now you see better. 343%, 42. Watch how is moving. Okay. 646, 647. Live position. Okay. On Binance, on my Binance account, if I click the live position, you already see 643% right now. It's the same entry live on my Binance account. So all is transparent here, guys. Proof of work. How we say, work hard, play hard. I like a lot this one. So let's see in this chart what we did in these 2+ months. Short perfectly 34.70 perfectly on this stop loss hunt. Longing here then perfectly on before the pump, the big pump. Shorting here 56, 58 approximately. Anticipated the top 61. Okay, and then waiting. Okay. On this downtrend was this happened because market manipulation. You see big pump, big drop. This happens in crypto, especially when Bitcoin is choppy, taking profits and so on. And then here again, so 1, 2, 3, waited here and 440 entry on the long right before the pump. Let's zoom in. Right here, pumping on target and on target perfectly. You see perfectly the wick on my second target, and then shorting 962 right here, and this is my live position right now. Short from here, and right now, what's my plan? My plan would be obviously to see what Bitcoin will do. If we'll flip above this zone, above $9 approximately, I close all my short and waiting for at least retesting the supply zone above $10 or even above this week. And if momentum will come back with altcoins to go even higher, to take to take this zone. Obviously here I look for when will come here. I have my alert to short again, like maybe a fake out above and then down. So my trigger will be, and I enter here, but I'll update on our community. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe, guys, to click that like button and join our socials. You find the link in our description. Also you find here all the links, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, on our Linktree link. Okay, good. So this was my study case. Hope you enjoyed, guys. If we add this let's say 4 trades, because this was beautiful, that's why I shared. But with 4 trades, I did approximately 7,000%. Long, short, long, short. This was 250% only profit, but was perfect entry, which is a beauty, and demonstrates that nothing is casual. Okay, So you see, if you know what you're doing, you catch the right moves, in only 2 months you can do 7,000%. Crazy, okay? Crazy, guys. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. I shared with you the live position as well. I wait you in our community, and let's hope the market will recover. We make money in shorts, in longs anyway. That's why that's the advantage to be a trader. If you're an investor, you wait and you pray that price will go up. If you're a trader, you can do money every day. So subscribe, don't forget, join us, and let's find the next winning setup. Bye.